So, welcome to BMF Speed Shop. It's my YouTube channel. So, yeah, today we were going to town out here, you know, typical Saturday. And we got the new metal in. There it is. I just kind of got a tack welded in there, and I got a new tank of gas. I just did this with the flux core. I'm trying to use up all my flux core wire, so. But I got a new tank of gas. I mean, I'm not a pro. I still got to do something about this. It was so rusty that it just kept burning through, so I'm probably going to have to repaste this whole little corner over here. But and there it looks alright. And I still got to put a piece right here, but then, you know, going this way, turning out better. It's getting close. Hell yeah, hit that subscribe button if you want to watch what happens. Tell me what you think of this new $20 camera. I don't know, it seems alright. Still got to fix this little hole right here. But, little gap right there. I mean, is what it is. But thanks for watching. You know, I just hit 20 subscribers. I'm pretty excited about that. I know it's like nothing, but you know, share, like, subscribe. BMF Speed Shop.